everybody, welcome back to 12 Acres. Today I thought I would make some V8 or somewhere around there, some vegetable garden juice based tomato product. I have an abundance of tomatoes right now, and so I grabbed a few extra ingredients from the grocery store that I didn't grow myself, and today we're going to make some juice. Hopefully I'll get at least 7 quarts, if not more. Now the main part of this recipe does come from the Ball Blue Book of Preserving, so it is a USDA approved recipe. However, I am throwing in a few extra vegetables, but the cook times will be exactly the same, the processing times. So I will have carrots, of course. Hold on, let me back up. Tomatoes being the main ingredient. So lots of tomatoes and carrots, celery, onions, peppers, beet to add some wonderful color, some spinach, parsley, and a few leaves of basil, and I think that's it. So altogether it's 9 vegetables, so it'll actually be a V9 recipe. Most of the tomatoes I'm using today are all aroma type, so they're going to be not super juicy, but very meaty. So you want to bring this to a boil and then just let it simmer for about 20 minutes until all the vegetables are soft. After blending it, I pour it into this colander that's setting on top of my stock pot, and I just stir it for a few minutes, and all of the juice falls down and it leaves the pulp and seeds left behind, which I will feed to the chickens. All that good juice in there. I am using a water bath canner for this, and once it comes to a boil, I will let it process for 40 minutes. These are quarts.